A tuple is a data structure just like the list, which is used to hold multiple values. These values may or may not be of the same type. But if it was exactly similar to a list, then we won't need it, right? A tuple is a sequence of items separated by commas. These items are enclosed within parentheses. A variable can be used to store a tuple. A tuple, like a list, can store values of different types. Just like lists, items in tuples are also identified by indexes. In tuples also, index starts from 0. Thus in the tuple 1 defined above, 2 is at index 0, 4 is at index 1, 5 is at index 2, and so on. The items in the tuple are accessed using their index numbers. To access an item in the tuple, we write the name of the tuple followed by the index of the item we want to access inside square brackets, just like lists. Thus, if we want to access the value 4, we must write name of the tuple followed by index number, which is 1, inside the square bracket. Writing print tuple 1 1 will display 4. We can also access multiple subsequent items in a tuple the same way we do in lists. To do so, we need to use the starting index followed by a colon followed by the index of the item up to which we want to access the items. Thus, if we want to access values 4, 5, 6, we must write writing print tuple 1 1 to 4 will display 4, 5, 6. To access all the items, we can write this will return 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. Similarly, to access items beginning from index 0, we can write this will return the items starting from index 0 to index 5. And writing tuple 1 2 will return all the items starting from index 2 till the end of the tuple. Unlike lists, tuples are immutable. Immutable refers to the fact that items in a tuple cannot be updated or deleted. So, there is no updation or deletion of items in tuples. But we can delete entire tuple. Let's see how. To delete the tuple, we use del statement. Del followed by the name of the tuple. Thus, to delete tuple 1, we need to write We learned a tuple is a data structure which can hold multiple values of different or same types. We cannot update any items in a tuple, but we can delete the entire tuple using del statement. Why using tuples then? Well, there are cases where a tuple is to be preferred over lists.